how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. So if you want to go back and delete a like on a video that you once did, it's real easy to do. So go to YouTube, go to the use section at the bottom right hand corner here, and then go to the settings gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, you just want to go to your data in YouTube. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see where it says YouTube watch history. And at the very bottom of that section, you'll see where it says manage your YouTube watch history. And then this will bring you further into your settings and go over to where it says interactions. And then you can just click the first section where it says video likes and dislikes. So from here, you can just go ahead and start going through and deleting likes on videos. Or if you want, you can quickly cancel it also. Or you can go and delete your likes by days. See here, it says July 17th. I can just delete all the likes on videos and stuff that I had or dislikes and delete them by the day as well. So it's real simple to do, to go back and delete a like on a video that you may not want to like it, or you made a mistake, because then sometimes that will alter your history and see what YouTube recommends to you. So being able to delete it is a good way to do that. And that's it. That's how you would go back and delete your liked videos on YouTube.